Hey there, homeowners and real estate agents. I got some exciting news to share with you today. Have you guys heard about the game changer in California real estate market that just came out? And it's all about accessory dwelling units, or better known as ADUs. So here's the scoop. Traditionally, ADUs were only available for rent, right? But a groundbreaking new law, Assembly Bill 1033, has just been signed into law, giving Californians a remarkable opportunity. So how does this all work, right? Well, it's pretty straightforward. See, homeowners constructing ADUs will need to follow the same rules that apply to condominiums. And just like with condos, you need to notify local utilities about the unit, form an HOA for shared expenses, and yes, there needs to be 2 separate property taxes. And here's the real magic. This new law benefits not only homeowners, but also new buyers. Retirees, for example, who have paid off their mortgages but find themselves living on limited income may now have the opportunity to earn supplemental income. So more specifically, under AB 1033, property owners participating in cities can now build ADUs on their land and sell them as if they were condominiums. That's right, you can own and sell ADUs just like condos. See, ADUs come in all shapes and sizes, from converted garages to small homes in your backyard. Now, this is going to open up a world of possibilities for homeowners, providing more options for building on their properties.